community. And so we actually have
Hi,
quite
my
a
name
bit
is
of
Marvin Marshall from the
information. Of
Nighttime
course,
News
we
Space
want
Report
ground
on
truth
Twitch here.
from Viper, and that's really
This is
going
for
to help
Jacob
us.
or anyone who wants to answer
But in
here.
terms of being
Just one
able
of my
to
viewers named
select
Joe. Joe wants
landing
to know,
sites, we
are you guys
don't
planning
need
on
Viper's
visiting
data.
any of the old Apollo sites on a detour to learn about the wear and
Thank
tear
you.
on instruments
Our
and
next
equipment
question is
that
from
may have been up there
Marvin
for,
Marshall
over
of
50 years
Nighttime
now,
News
exposed
Space
to
Report.
lunar space there? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Marvin Marshall from the Nighttime News Space Report on Twitch here. This is for Jacob or anyone who wants to answer here. It's from one of my viewers named Joe. Joe wants to know, are you guys planning on visiting any of the old Apollo sites on a detour to learn about the wear and tear on instruments and equipment that may have been up there for, over 50 years now, exposed to the lunar space there? Thank you.
Yeah, this is Jake. I'll take a first cut at that. That is a very interesting topic, and we have discussed the value of doing that. And as your viewer has noted, there is value in understanding what has happened to the hardware that has been on the lunar surface for that long. But we also are very interested in protecting the Apollo sites. They're referred to as heritage sites on the lunar surface, and we actually have some public documentation about that. So they're somewhat protected regions, although we do have the potential to use them if there's something that we need to learn. But we can also begin to learn about some of those processes by having a regular cadence of landings in the South Polar region. We can leave witness plates, for instance, to understand the impact on the surface. Especially if we get to a point where we're landing, at or near the same location, we can revisit those. We do, we don't rule out the option of potentially going elsewhere, but right now our focus is at the South Polar region for Artemis III. And these 13 regions are the places that we are now trying to
come on, all you got to do is just bring back something, and
Mark
everybody
indicated earlier, try to get to a shorter list, as short as we can.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Our next question is from